The needle threader on the Pfaff sewing machines are easy to use once you have a basic understanding of how it works. So first off, if you'd like a little extra room for using the needle threader, lower down the presser foot. Next, as you pull down the lever, let's do it without thread first. You'll notice that as you pull it down, that there is a kind of hook that's coming through the eye of the needle, and it's waiting for the thread. So you need to put the thread near the hook and then rotate it away from the needle and let it pull a loop out the back of the machine. Now, another thing you want to make sure is to have the needle at the highest position. So if you need to take a stitch, do so by tapping your foot control or even touching the needle up, needle down button on the front of the machine. So as you come down, if you stop about halfway and hook the thread underneath the little arm over here on this side, then bring the needle threader all the way down, rotate it to the needle. That is when you can put the thread up to the little arm. If you do this before, you might not catch that little hook that's waiting for the thread. Now notice that I'm lifting the thread kind of up. A lot of people want to push it to the back, which doesn't make any sense whatsoever. So just kind of hold it in front of the machine, but lift up and then gently let go of the thread while you twist the needle threader away from you. That little loop of thread will come right on through and you're ready to sew. Once again, if your needle is not high enough up into the machine, the needle threader will not work. And if you do bend that little hook, that's going to make it so it's not going to work so well. So if it does get unaligned, you are going to need to either bend it back or even have your store help you get it realigned. But once it's bent, it doesn't work at all. So just be real gentle with it, practice a few times, and once you get a hang of it, it is one quick, fluid motion to thread your needle.